Here's how to make a quote picture using Google Slides. So for the sake of showing this, I'm going to just go ahead and duplicate the slide. And on this slide, I have an image, and then I have some effects that I've added, and then I also have a text box. So you're going to make sure that you don't make your image a background image because you're going to want to manipulate it. So I've just selected my image, you can tell because of the blue line, and then I'm going to go over to Format Options, and you can see that I have made some changes on here. For one thing, I've added a reflection. So if I take that reflection off, you see what happens here at the bottom. So you can add or remove. You can add a drop shadow depending on what your image looks like. You can make other adjustments as far as the transparency, brightness, or contrast. So you can see I've changed the transparency a little bit because I didn't want it to compete with the text. So that's way too dark, and the lighter I make it, the more you can read the quote. Obviously, you want some of that picture to still show up, or maybe just a hint of the picture. And you can compare, and if you want to try to compare, you can just keep duplicating slides and try different transparencies, see which one you like best. And you can also recolor. So right now it says no recolor, but if I wanted to, I can add these recolors. So any image, you have the ability to change this color scheme in here. So I'm just going to leave it at no recolor. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this slide. I don't need it anymore. And I have my slide, I have my quote, and I'm ready to turn this into a picture. So then I just go up to File, and I'm going to look for Download As, and I'm going to go ahead and download this as a JPEG. So I go ahead and download as a JPEG, and then it's going to be an image file on my computer, and I can include that in something else that I'm working on.